Hey guys, this is Chase Harrison, CEO of Alta Labs. Our new S12 distribution switch has arrived. This small form factor switch packs a serious punch. It features 12 ports of high-performance 10 gigabit per second SFP plus connectivity with a total switching capacity of 240 gigabits per second. Each SFP plus port can be populated with your choice of 1 to 10 gigabit per second RJ45, single mode, or multi-mode fiber SFP modules. This allows you to take up to 11 different switches through your project and aggregate them together before you link them into our 10 gigabit per second rack. It comes with rack ears and rack studs duo to fit comfortably in a 1U rack space. Two S12s can be attached together with an optional accessory, occupying still a single 1U rack space and providing 24 total SFP plus ports. The S12 can be managed from anywhere in the world without a license fee from our scalable, responsive, and highly secured cloud platform, either from a PC or a mobile app, or by either of our on-premise management solutions. Let's go ahead and unbox the S12 and set it up for the first time. As you open the gift box, the first thing you will see is the accessory box. Behind it, the S12 itself. Inside the accessory box, you will find the quick start guide, power cord, hardware kit with the rack ear screws as well as rack studs duo, and then finally the rack mount ears. As you look at the front of the S12, you will see the link lights next to the SFP plus ports. If a port LED is not lit, it means the link is off or down. If the LED is lit blue, it signifies a 1 gigabit per second link. White indicates a 10 gigabit per second link. When attaching the rack ears, there are a few different installation options. You can wall mount the S12 by installing the rack ears so they face the top or bottom of the S12. For rack mounts, you can use the included long rack ear on either side of the S12 to position the S12 on either the left or the right side of your rack. Or if you want to place two side by side, you can use the optional bracket between the two S12s and then two short ears on the outside of each of the S12s. To set up the S12 in the management platform, power up your switch and connect it to your router or switch with a connection to the internet. You can use the mobile app, leveraging the built-in Bluetooth radio for easy adoption. Or pull up a web browser and head to manage.alta.inc. Once you have the site pulled up you want to add the S12 to, click the Setup button. Once added to the site, you will begin to see real-time traffic reports appear on your dashboard. If there is a firmware update available, an up arrow will appear next to the firmware version. Click it and confirm the upgrade. Once the firmware update is complete, you can click into the S12 icon in the management platform to start configuring the switch and individual port settings. For a more in-depth video on how to configure our network switches, including individual ports and how to set up port colors, also known as profiles or groups, please check the link to the video in our description. Thanks for being Alta Labs fans.